Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo touch fastener refillable sandbags. A sandbag is an invaluable safety device in your studio and on location. It's always good practice to bag all of your stands to prevent them from getting knocked down accidentally, preventing injury and damage. This is the cheapest assistant you'll ever get. They're also good for a quick workout. Think about how much kettlebells cost these days. The sandbags feature a double-touch fastened closure to keep the sand in its place. Equipped with a new spring lock for easy mounting, such as a counterweight in this instance. The Kupo 15 and 25 pound refillable sandbags feature a new rubber-covered handle for a more comfortable and secure grip. The sandbags come empty for ease of transport. Just fill it with your favorite material, sand, shot, etc. The bags come in 3 different sizes, 15, 25, and 35 pounds. Kupo designed the 15 and 25 pound sandbags wider rather than taller so they would remain off the ground on lower stand legs. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.